Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Reef Finance coin. What's the current price of Reef Finance coin, what's the next move of Reef Finance coin, and what is the currently change occur in Reef Finance coin. In this video I will show you friends, so keep watching this video till the end, and if you want this kind of more news and updates, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, first of all we talk about the current price of Reef Finance coin. As you can see here, that is the current price of Reef Finance coin friends. 0.034606 USD dollar is the current price of the Reef Finance coin in the market. And the current change occur in the Reef Finance coin. The last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change is positive friends. So that's mean that the Reef Finance start dumping from the previous last 1 day friends. For more details, let's see the last 1 day price prediction chart. Oh my god. But here is a good news for all of you. As you can see at this point, they fast down. After a fast, they try to take a jump, but unfortunately again and again over and over, they fast down friends. So now as you can see this time they again fall down, and now they again struggle to move upward friends, but I don't think that they can move upward friends. Only fast occur in the Reef Finance coin approximately for tomorrow. Only fast occur in the Reef Finance coin. So don't worry if you are a holder and you are in a loss, so please don't worry, maybe they goes upward in the future, and I hope they will give you a good amount of profit in the future friends. Now friends, if we talk about the change occur in the Reef Finance coin in the last 1 day is about negative 4.81%, and the highest price in the last 1 day period is about 0.037638 USD dollar is the highest price of the Reef Finance coin and the last 1 day friends. So what's the next move of Reef Finance coin? As you can see here, from the previous last 1 day only fast occur after taking some small jump, again fast occur. So that's mean that now it is clear that the future of the sapon coin as a danger friends. Sorry, Reef Finance coin as danger friends, because only fast occur from the previous last 1 day. So I hope this process continues until approximately for 2 days. This process continues. So what's your opinion about Reef Finance coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe our Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.